I'm not going away. What do you want to say to Uncle Dave?
I forgot to put my ribbon face in. I forgot to.
That's okay. Uncle Dave doesn't mind. Piggy toes. What do you want to tell Uncle Dave, Eek?
I forgot to put my slippers back on. Ow! Forgot to say.
Are you okay?
Yeah, little bit. Oh.
Can you blow kisses to Uncle Dave?
No, I don't want to. Don't go away.
I won't go away.
I forgot to put my sweater on, and I kissed him.
Oh, okay. Brady?